equal parts of cashews, almonds, white chocolate chips, cran raisins, and unsweetened coconut flakes. Add your ingredients to a mixing bowl. I like to use fresh nuts and organic ingredients whenever possible to make my party mix extra healthy. Next, you want to stir until it's well combined. I like to serve my party mix in this sweet little shell-shaped dish with a spoon for serving, but any pretty dish will work. Please be sure to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel and share this video if you found it helpful.